today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your messenger something went wrong problem. So basically, the common way why this problem arises is because of your slow internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is, stable. And the other thing is if your messenger is not up to date. So for this, go to your Play Store and check if your messenger is up to date. As you guys can see, my messenger is up to date because there is no update button shown over here. There's only the open button shown. If there's an update button shown over here, then make sure to update your messenger. And if you still face this problem even after updating your messenger, then the other thing you can do is get out of messenger and then come out of messenger and click on messenger icon. And once you hold on messenger icon, this message opens up. This thing pops up, and click on app info. And once you click on app info, it's going to take you to messenger's app info. And once you're in messenger's app info, you can go on permission and make sure all this permission is turned on. It's turned off, but make sure all of your permission is turned on. Now after doing that, go on storage usage, and on storage usage you can click on clear data and click on clear. And after doing that, it's gonna clear all the cache which is stored in your phone by messenger, and it's gonna reset messenger and stuff. And that should fix your problem. And if you still have a problem, then the last thing you can do is uninstall messenger and reinstall it. And after doing that, it should fix your problem. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then just restart your phone, because sometimes there's a problem in your phone and restarting it would fix it.